Hey guys, it's Robin and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be trying something a little new, a little different, and hopefully it comes out nice and I hope you enjoy it. I am going to be using my all new Juvia's Place makeup brushes. Woo, 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 woo. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell next to the button so that you stay updated with all of my videos. I have 2 videos that get posted every week, so stay tuned. Let's get started. So as you can see, I already started off with my eyebrows done. Then I went in with my eyeshadow base from NYX and I just smoothed that over both of my lids. So for this makeup look, I'm going to be using my Pro HD makeup palette by Revolution. So for my lids, I used a dark pink color with slightly red, and I also used a light shimmer color at the top underneath of my eyebrows. So I blended that in, and then I tried to mix the two together a little bit, but in the corner of my eyes, I decided to go with a lighter color. So you'll see that in a little bit. So I also use my Morphe palette just for the color black, so I could use in my crease. So I used my blending brush to blend out all of these colors together, and then I went in with my glitter primer because I decided that I was going to do a glitter cut crease. So after smoothing the glitter primer out where I want the glitter to go, I just took my brush and I dipped it into the glitter, and then I just started patting it on lightly exactly where I put the glitter primer. So I used my That's the Point eyeliner by NYX to go ahead and line the bottom of my eyes, and also I did my waterline, but it was so hard for me to do on camera, I did it off camera. I also went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. I smoothed that all over my face. I did 2 layers. So for my concealer, I used the C12 color by Revolution. After blending in my concealer with my foundation, I went in with my banana powder, which is also by Revolution. I use my Saharan Blush Palette by Juvia's Place for my contour as well as my blush on my cheeks. After doing my contour, I went in with my multi-purpose brush and I just brushed away some of that powder that I put on before. After I brush away powder, I always go in with my blending brush and I just try to blend around the edges so that it's not such a drastic change from where the powder was to where the foundation starts. Now I'm going in with my Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe to set my face, since I put on the powder and the concealer and all that, so I just let that soak in. I use my go-to highlighter, which is the Paradise Fluff by NYX. On my lips, the first color I used was this pinkish red by Anastasia. For the second color on my lips, I used my Morphe liquid lipstick in a dark shade of red with a blue undertone. After blending those two together, I just went in with some glitter lip gloss that I got from Ulta Beauty. So my makeup look is done now, and if you watched this far, then I hope you subscribe to my channel.